Here's an extremely common problem that my property management company faces. And so, if you're a rental property owner, a landlord, you're apt to face it as well. What happens is occasionally a tenant moves out, but more often an owner will actually move out of a property long before they engage property management. So they'll set us up months in advance before they move out. But for some reason, they always have a delay before they actually have us give us access and get us in. The problem is they're getting ready to move out. They're probably doing a lot of laundry. They're closing that washing machine door, and then nobody's going in that property for who knows how long. It doesn't take long for this to happen. What we're facing is we're going in and the washing machine gets badly mildewed because it's all this trapped water. It's a waterproof thing. Water has nowhere to go, no ability to dry on its own. Mildew happens just extremely quickly. So in your house, as you're doing laundry, it's probably not such a big deal. I don't know. I always wipe down my machine in between each and everything, but I imagine for the average owner, it's not a prominent, prevalent thing. But like I said, if you leave it closed for any kind of a duration, you are going to run into it mildewing. And then we're having a very significant problems where the tenants will come in. They're paying X number of dollars for rent, and they go to use their washing machine and come to find out it's just a crime scene in there. And it's very difficult. So we'll actually get to the point where the appliance repair man comes in and he actually has to replace all the rubber seals. There's just no cleaning it. They turn black, and it's a little hard to clean the unit and then turn around the tenant and say, hey, the gaskets, it's all been cleaned, but the gasket's still stained and you can use it. So the whole thing has to be replaced, and I forget how much we pay for that, but it's not inexpensive. I mean, I'm guessing we're probably paying around $230 for him to come in and to fix this problem that could have been solved. And of course, there's tenant distress. They're coming in and paying rent for a property and everything's clean. They go to the wash, and they know somebody else has done their washing that machine, and they open it up and it's full of cooties. So they're generally not happy. So you actually have a lot of tenant unrest because of it, and they can't really feel comfortable doing their clothes until you fix it. Then you're kind of urgent trying to get the appliance repair guy in there. I mean, and again, this is just a problem that my property management company faces time and time again. So we proactively reach out to owners. We send them emails before they're approaching the moving out the property to let them know, please leave the washing machine open. We're always frantic to get in there. I don't know why they don't let us get access right away, because they are kind of hemorrhaging money. So again, as I keep saying, when you're vacant, take your rent, whatever rent you're going to get for your unit, and then divide that by 30 days. And my company, my property management company, we call that your vacancy penalty fee, because we take vacancy very seriously. And our average owner, our medium owner, I should say, not our average owner, faces over $78 a day vacancy penalty fee. So every day we keep them vacant, my property management company keeps them vacant, it's costing them $78 a day. So I don't know why owners aren't getting us in right away. As soon as they're out, we want to get in. We want to get the property tenant ready. One of the things we want to do is we want to open up that washing machine to let it dry out. But just wanted to give you that. Again, if you're a rental property owner, make sure to always, in between tenants, and if you're in a resident, make sure you open up every time you're there, open up that washing machine. All right? Just a humble Philadelphia property management company owner, doing my best to answer your rental property investing questions. As always, happy rental property investing.